people. You've got to calm yourself. Okay, people. Okay. What is it? It's electrifying. Best fun was that? I turned and looked at one point. You were standing in the chair going, yes!
This is from Tina Turner.
Wow.
And she said, yeah. We were sitting there and said, listen, because she's being honored as a legend tonight, she can't come over the table, so would you please come over and say hello?
I met Tom Cruise tonight. It was, see, he is as good looking. Oh, my God, he's so good looking. And let me say this. Okay, so everybody knows. I was on the dance floor. I looked. That's how I feel about it. Really? Something happened to you.
Kate, sorry.
No, they're literally on the edge of their seats. They're like this. They're like this, okay? No, I know what he's doing. He's processing. He's trying to figure out what he is going to tell, what he isn't. Yeah, okay, process
so
it.
we met.
You met? Yeah.
Hey, we met!
How?
Oh, jeez. Okay. God, please. Okay.
How? Just how? I've never seen
I know. And I thought, you know what? I thought I have to tell you, no, when you meet someone.
Lady in the audience says, was she anxious to meet you?
I hope so.
Yeah. Okay, I heard that you met and you were both of you were so knocked over your feet that you... Motorcycle ride on the beach, is that true? Yeah. Listen, I behaved this way before.
I know.
Have you ever felt this? You're gone. You are gone. This is the thing.
I'm gone.
Are you
I don't
sleeping?
care.
Are you getting enough sleep?
No, I'm not.
No.
No, we
I
got
heard
here
you.
last night. We had, what is that place?
Popcorn.
We had the cheese and the caramel popcorn.
cheese and the caramel.
And then I had to have the Giordano's pizza.
Oh my God. You've never, listen to me.
Okay, I'm
Okay. You've never.
I'm not going to.
You know, Katie once told 17 magazine. The boy is gone. The boy is gone. He's gone.
I am.
Okay. Katie once told 17 magazine that her dream was to marry Tom Cruise.